first of all, I ask you for your Canva email, right? Once you open Canva, you tap on the top left, right? And you see your name at the top. Click on it. Then you will now see the email that you used to register under your name. Now, I will add you up with that email. You get an invite from Canva. See it? Click on that invite and click on that button that says join the class. Now, some people it takes them to the Canva app, some people it takes them to the browser. Whatever it is takes you to, just follow it. If it asks you to log in. You understand? If it takes you to the Canva app in your phone, that's perfect, because it will automatically log you in. Now, once you have logged in everywhere, maybe on your browser or in your app, after going through this process, just simply go to your app in your phone. Simply go to your app in your phone to confirm that you are now in the team that I added you to. You will see it at the top there under your name, team something, team DEC or Simbi Props Academy. You see it. You see it now. Switch team DEC. Then you see personal. Personal is where all your designs are, your old designs. Team DEC is now the team that I added you to. Do you understand? Team DEC is now the Canva Pro team, and your personal profile is your own profile. That personal profile is your own profile. So you can always switch back to your personal profile to see your old designs. You see it, you can switch back under switch team, and you can also switch back to Team DEC or Simbi Props Academy to have access to Canva Pro and design something there. Once I add you to my own team, which you will have Canva Pro access to, it's only in my team. You'll be seeing a lot of educational things. Don't worry. Just simply use the search bar at the top. Whatever you're searching for, you will find it. Just type the name or type the description. You will get results. So let's say you have a design, right, in your other profile, not in this team that I added you. Let's say you have in your other profile, let's say this one's profile. I'm switching to my own profile, right? The one that I'm trying to pay Canva and they did not accept. I've switched back. So let's say I've already started the design, yeah? And I need to move it to the other team, the other Simbi Props team that you have been added to. So what you will do is kindly tap on the three dots at the top, and then you click on share, right? You click on share, and then you change this option that says only you can access. You say anyone with the link can access. You change it, and this one can edit. You also leave it as can edit. Then you copy the link. Click on copy link. You have copied the link, right? Copy. Good. Now go to your WhatsApp somewhere or your note in your book and paste the link. Do you understand? Let me go to somewhere and paste the link. Right? Good. Then you go back to Canva. Then go home and switch back to the team that you've been added to gain access to Canva Pro. This is the team. I'm going to switch back to that. Finally. Then I'll go to my WhatsApp where I put the link, and I'll click on the link. I select Canva as a choice. Then I'll wait for it to load. As you can see, you will now have pro features to work on it because you are currently under your Canva Pro profile. So you can work on that design, do anything that you want, honestly, because you're already in the Canva Pro platform profile, but you went through this link. So if there's any design in your old profile, you just share it, share it, copy the link, then switch back to the Canva Pro profile. Then you can now click on the link and edit whatever you want to do. Then you save. That is how you move, or you are able to edit other things in your old profile. But if you don't want to be moving things, you just want to start from scratch, it's okay. If you don't have any design in your old profile, you can just simply start creating designs from your Canva Pro profile. Do you understand? I hope you understand my explanation.